I'm Toby and this is Sea Life. Welcome to our kitchen. Today is that special day of the week when it's all hands on deck and we're all cooking, we're all cleaning, we're getting ready for a beautiful meal tonight, and tonight we're going to be featuring Yaki Mandu. And you've got carrots, cabbage, onions, a little meat, and you can adjust this recipe however you like it, and we just enjoy it. Daniel is making, you guessed it, blackberry cobbler. He's excited about the blackberries we've been picking, and he's going to make a great blackberry cobbler for tonight. So it's getting busy here. Okay, we've got quite a little bit of carrot going on here. Just breaking the outside of the carrot first. Then we're going to rinse it and shred it again. And Jacob's getting ready to make bread. So I'm going to be moving to the other side of the counter, which is probably why I shopped from the other side of the counter last week. But yep, Jacob's making bread, Daniel's making blackberry cobbler. We are all abuzz here in this house. We're just so busy. And I've got about, I'd say 3 cups of carrots, and I'm going to have about 3 cups of cabbage. And then we're going to start mixing the meat up with the spices. And then we're just going to wrap them in wontons, and it's going to be just so simple. And I'm going to leave a link to this recipe that I've got in the description below. So welcome to our kitchen once again this week, and we're just so thankful to have all of you here. This channel has been amazing, and I'm so thankful for all of the way you've blessed us. All of you have blessed us by watching, and we are so thankful for you. I just wanted you to see that I mixed up the cabbage and the carrots together. I took about 3 cups of shredded carrots and about the same amount of shredded cabbage, and I just mixed it together. And you can see Jacob's dish or bread making and Daniel's blackberry cobbler making. Some people in my family don't like onions, so I'm using onion powder, about 3 tablespoons of onion powder to about 3 pounds of meat. I'm making a lot of mandu. I put in a whole 8-ounce jar of garlic, minced garlic, that is. So I added about 2 tablespoons of seasoning to this 3 pounds of hamburger. They suggested accent. I'm using Montreal steak seasoning. Or still making,
well, yeah, one time.
whatever we're making.
Yaki Mandu, yeah,
Yaki
that's it.
Mandu. So, I thought I'd show you how I get these little, get everything stuffed into these little wrappers. I start in the center, and then I press one side, and then I press the other, and put them all on a little plate. And we've got quite a few getting ready to. Okay, thank you.
Here, let's watch one more, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Stay in there.
So she's pinching them shut right there.
Yep, pinching them shut on every corner, on every edge, all the way around.
There we go. Aren't those gorgeous?
We're getting there. I just wanted to tell you guys that this recipe is special to me. It reminds me of a dear friend that we had in Colorado Springs, Colorado, when we were stationed at Fort Carson, and her name was Lighty. This recipe is one that she has shown me, and it's amazing.